Congratulations on purchasing Bella Botanicals Fruit Acid Gel. Congratulations on purchasing Bella Botanicals Fruit Acid Gel. Don't let the word acid fool you or scare you. This is a wonderful and gentle chemical exfoliant that everybody can utilize in their skincare routine. So in this product, we utilize acids that come from fruit. So those are your alpha hydroxy acids and then beta hydroxy acids from willow bark extract. We also have algae in this product, which is going to be very soothing and moisturizing to the skin. Aloe. We did leave this product fragrance free, and it also has a little bit of licorice root extract in it. So this product is kind of like your zit stopper. The acids in this product really work to zap a zit at its core. A lot of times we always think about acne or blemishes and we need to dry them out. But blemishes actually don't contain water. They contain dead skin cells and oil. So that's where alpha and beta hydroxy acids really come into play, because they're going to help exfoliate all of those dead skin cells that are getting trapped underneath the skin, and then they're going to help clean out the pore. So this product is very gentle but very effective. So I like to utilize this product at night, 3 nights out of the week. I always recommend when you're starting out with this product, or really with any product, you use it as a standalone just to kind of see how your skin does. So I like to use this at night after I cleanse and tone. I'll apply the fruit acid gel. So 1 pump is all you need, and you'll apply it full face and you'll leave that on overnight. If you do have an active acne blemish, you can use this product in the morning or at night as a spot treatment. One thing I will advise is that chemical exfoliants like these typically can make your skin a little more photosensitive. So if you're using it in the morning, always make sure you're applying your daily SPF on top of that. If you're spot treating it at night, then no problem at all. So I do have some people that like to use this product every single night, especially those that are teens and really are just producing a lot of oil. It is a really great product, and it can really help with those acne blemishes. Now, for any skin type, it's always really great to incorporate an exfoliant like this, because it's really going to help your collagen and elastin production. It's going to help if you ever get any post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. It can really lessen that dark spot. Or if you have sunspots, it can really help with those as well. So really anybody can utilize a fruit acid gel like this that has those chemical exfoliants in them.